Every luxury has a story, and some begin in the most unexpected places. Industrial corner, humble cattle horns are about to be transformed. From raw, rough fragments to glowing, handcrafted luxury, witness the journey. It begins here, in the misty highlands where the Highland cattle roam. Their horns, discarded and forgotten, carry the first chapter of this transformation. Collected in crates, loaded onto mechanical conveyors, and transported into the factory, these once natural elements are ready for reinvention. Every curve, every imperfection tells a story, waiting to be refined. Before any transformation can occur, purity is essential. High-pressure sprays, ultrasonic baths, and scrubbing brushes strip away every trace of the past. Steam and water dance around the horns, softening their rigid surfaces. Through automated drying and chemical soaking, what was once rough and raw becomes supple, ready to endure the next stage of evolution. Now, the magic of modern chemistry takes hold. Submerged in glowing vats, the horns begin a molecular metamorphosis. Solid structures dissolve, fibers stretch, and the material becomes flexible, a pliable canvas capable of blending with leather. Each process is carefully measured, each fiber meticulously extracted, ensuring strength and elegance in the final product. Once transformed, the material faces its trial by fire. Grinding wheels, molten presses, and precision shaping give form to the softened horns. Sparks fly and dust rises, yet through heat and pressure, roughness becomes refinement. Every edge, every surface is sculpted for perfection, combining industrial might with artistic precision. The journey continues as horn fibers merge with leather. Through injection, compression, and rolling, raw sheets become composite luxury material. Horn and leather are no longer separate. They are one, a durable, elegant canvas for the designer's vision. This is where craftsmanship meets science. The finishing touches define true luxury. Lasers etch logos with precision. Skilled hands inspect every surface, ensuring perfection. Layers are bonded, edges sealed, and molds shaped to create bags that are not only beautiful, but built to last. Finally, each piece emerges from the line, polished, refined, and ready to shine. From humble horn to high-end icon, the transformation is complete. On boutique shelves, under warm lighting, these handbags glimmer with craftsmanship and innovation. Every touch, every angle reflects the journey from raw material to luxury statement. Here, In every curve and shimmer, the story of transformation is visible, a testament to what modern factories, skill, and vision can achieve.
As you can see, the stitching is flawless.
It's stunning, and the leather feels incredible.
Only the finest.